What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in on my channel. Thanks for the new subscribers and viewers. Supports my channel a lot and I appreciate it. So just doing a quick review on the overlay that I did on the fog light in the bottom. It looks amazing at night. It's very aggressive look and love the contrast. So that's how it looks in the front, the bottom. It's bright a little bit in a person than you'll see in the video. And then you got white, of course, the headlights in the front. So it's a nice contrast. I really like it. So let me just show you from the front how it looks. That's how it is in the front. And then, so when you're viewing it from the drive position, you'll see it like that, and it looks pretty cute. It's amazing. I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna make a POV video right now, and I'll add that to the clip and let you guys see how it looks. Stay tuned. So I hope you guys can see in the front the fog light. It looks nice from the driver's point of view. So I hope you guys can see. That's how it looks at night. We got some loud pops going. So overall it looks awesome, and it didn't cost much. So comment below if you want to know. I got it on eBay. It was pretty cheap. So yeah, I'll definitely get my wife to help me out make a video from the outside. If you guys can't see that much in the dash cam. Dark street right here is perfect.